Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of latest uploads. The idea of reaching higher speeds in a short interval of time by providing engine with extra amount of power is being implemented by most of the automotive companies. There are several ways to do this. Some of them are using turbochargers, superchargers and the NOS. You should have seen this in the movies like The Fast and the Furious, but what makes NOS so popular? NOS stands for Nitrous Oxide System. This gas makes a person laugh without a joke and produces dragon flames from the car without any spicy food. It's always been so popular as an inexpensive performance booster. If you love to speed up on the highway and you're a big fan of the Fast and Furious, you might be thinking of adding some nitrous in your car. Nitrous oxide was discovered by Joseph Priestley in the year 1772. It was used as a laughing gas from 1844. Its use was started by the German planes in the World War II to increase the high altitude performance, and then came the years of late 1950s where nitrous was used in cars by racers to cheat, and then it got banned until they started the use of NOS in drag races. Adding NOS to your car means injecting more amount of oxygen into the engine along with extra fuel. But if it's adding oxygen, then why do we need NOS? Well, oxygen helps in combustion and it's non-flammable, but nitrous oxide is a safer option as it's unlikely to explode at room temperature and under pressure. Due to nitrous oxide liquid form, it evaporates in the intake manifold, which reduces the temperature in the intake charge. This cooling process helps to lower detonation and boost engine power. How much horsepower can nitrous add? If you have decided to add nitrous to your car, you need to know how much speed increases. For example, you can add 100 to 200 horsepower to your engine by spending less than 500 bucks. However, you have to follow some rules to get the desired results. The key here is choosing correct horsepower for an engine. For example, a 4-cycle unit can handle another 40 to 60 horsepower, so it's very simple. You need a NOS compatible to your engine. Don't wanna risk your life? Take these warnings very carefully. Make sure the engine is compatible because NOS generates high amount of power that puts vehicle under immense stress and strain. So the engine should be strong enough to handle that extra power. Using more nitrous than the engine can handle will cause damaging effects on components such as clutch and gearbox. To handle this, use a nitrous gauge which allows you to know how much gas is getting distributed. Be careful of the tires. If the tires are compatible with the new speed, then you are good to go. Let's end the video by understanding the working of NOS. When nitrous oxide enters into the combustion chamber, it gets decomposed into oxygen and nitrogen, which is in the ratio of 1:2 at around 570 degrees Fahrenheit. The increased amount of oxygen is compensated by more fuel intake, which is done either by carburetor or using some sort of programming. The next thing is subscribing to our channel. It motivates us to make more such videos on interesting topics. If you wanna get to know the suspension system, click on the video above. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and thanks for watching.